Hey, Rob Romarino here with Sentry Equipment, and today I want to talk a little bit about one of the trends that our customers are seeing a lot of success with. So we've been preaching non-dairy vegan products for a very long time to our customers, and we're starting to see an explosion in those products. We've written blogs about it. There's some other videos about non-dairy vegan, and as kind of an offspring of that, we've been working with actually an acai soft serve. So an acai is a fruit-based product. You see it in a lot of bowls. There's a lot of chains out there doing it. There's pitaya bowls, but the most famous one is acai. There's companies out there that have a soft serve acai, which is kind of amazing. This company that we're using is called Tropical Acai, and we've developed it and mixed it into something that you can actually run out of a soft serve machine. So now you can have a machine, and in this side we have a vanilla vegan product, and in this side we have a soft serve acai. So what can that do for your menu? Well, number one is you can serve just a straight acai soft serve, and you can see how it comes out. Comes out just like soft serve. Look, it's a nice deep color, and it has a really nice acai fruit taste. You can even blend it and combine it with your vanilla vegan to have a mix that is just off the charts. You could use the acai itself, even if you're an ice cream store, to create bowls within your shop. So you can use this as the base to your bowls, as your granola, your Nutella, your peanut butter, your strawberry bananas. We can help you create that menu. But what you could do, and the goal kind of this little trend video, is to show you what's possible outside your traditional vanilla chocolate twist. Hey, I'm going to add an orange. There's other products out there that appeal to a much different demographic than maybe you're hitting with your store. These vegan, non-dairy products, this acai product, it's a huge hit with Gen Zs, it's a huge hit with millennials, and those customers have huge amounts of buying power. They are the next generation that are going to be having kids, so you want to get them while you're young, get them attracted to your store. These type of products could do it. These type of products are Instagrammable. They're a hit on social media. They can be delivered well, and it can really help create the next profit center in your store. So the acai works just like anything else. It's a liquid mix. You're going to pour in the hopper. Same thing with the non-dairy. Flows down into the freezing cylinder. Typically we use a smaller, simpler machine for these products because even though they could be a huge profit center for you, they're not going to be with your traditional vanilla chocolate. So typically we use a smaller machine, a little less capacity, a little less investment as well. That concludes another trend video here at Sentry. Rob Romarino, thanks for watching.